So we want to integrate inverse tangent of x over x plus 1 over 0 to 1. First thing we're going to do is make a substitution. So I'm going to let x equal 1 minus u over 1 plus u. So dx, we'll use the quotient rule, take the derivative of that, which is negative 2 over 1 plus u quantity squared, du. And when we change the limits, so if x is 0, then we have 0 is equal to 1 minus u over 1 plus u. Multiply both sides by 1 plus u. Get 1 minus u is 0, so u has to be 1. If x is 1, we multiply both sides by 1 plus u. Subtract the 1s, add the u, get u is equal to 0. So we'll have the integral from 1 to 0, inverse tangent of 1 minus u over 1 plus u, all over 1 minus u over 1 plus u plus 1. But then we want to solve for dx is just negative 2 over 1 plus u quantity squared du. So now we're going to simplify. The negative 2 comes outside, and then I can distribute the 1 plus u squared to both the 1 minus u over 1 plus u plus 1. So that's just going to be 1 minus u times 1 plus u plus 1 plus u quantity squared. And I can simplify the 1 minus u times 1 plus u as just 1 minus u squared. And then 1 plus u quantity squared is 1 plus 2u plus u squared. So then we can just add the denominator and get 2 plus 2u. The good thing is I can factor out a 2 in the denominator, and then it cancels out with a 2 outside. So I just have 1 plus u in the denominator. Now the negative outside, I can get rid of it by switching the limits. So instead of going from 1 to 0, I'm going to go from 0 to 1. And here I'm going to use a property that the inverse tangent of 1 minus u over 1 plus u is equal to inverse tangent of 1 minus inverse tangent of u. So inverse tangent of 1 is just pi over 4, and that's going to be pi over 4 minus inverse tangent of u. So then recall that this is on the left side is what integral I'm trying to solve for, and then I was able to make a substitution, get in terms of u, like this. And then we said that 1 minus u over 1 plus u is just inverse tangent of 1 minus inverse tangent of u, where inverse tangent of 1 is just pi over 4. So then I can break this up into two fractions. It's pi over 4 over 1 plus u, and then inverse tangent of u over 1 plus u. So notice that the inverse tangent of u over 1 plus u is the same thing as inverse tangent of x over x plus 1. The only difference here is the variable, but it doesn't matter. It's the same thing. So then I can add that to the other side and get two copies of the integral. And so now I just need to focus on integrating pi over 4 over 1 plus u. That's just going to be pi over 4 times natural log of absolute value of 1 plus u. And we're going to evaluate it from 0 to 1. We do that, we get pi over 4 times ln of 2. And then I just need to divide both sides by 2 to get pi over 8 times natural log 2 as a final answer.